In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up apps on a Samsung phone. First, let's begin by installing an app from the Google Play Store. To do this, locate the Play Store icon on your Samsung device. It typically looks like a colorful triangle and is usually found on your home screen or in the app drawer. Once you find it, go ahead and tap on the icon to open the Play Store. You will see a vibrant interface filled with various apps and games. This is your gateway to thousands of applications that can enhance your phone's functionality. Next, you will want to tap the search bar at the top of the screen. This bar allows you to quickly find the specific app you are looking for. A keyboard will pop up once you tap the search bar. Now, take a moment to type in the name of the app you wish to install. It's important to spell it correctly for the best results. Once you've entered the name, tap on the search icon or the Enter key on your keyboard. Now that you've searched for the app, you will see a list of results. Locate the correct app in the list. It's usually helpful to look for the app icon and the developer's name to ensure that it's the app you want. When you find the app, tap on it to open its detail page. This page provides information about the app, including its features, user ratings, and reviews. Understanding these details can help you decide if the app meets your needs. From there, you will notice an Install button on the app's detail page. Tap this button to begin the installation process. The phone may ask for certain permissions that the app requires to function properly. It is essential to read these permissions carefully. Granting permissions allows the app to work as intended, but always consider whether you are comfortable with the requested access. Once you've reviewed everything, tap the Accept button to proceed. Now you will need to wait for the installation to finish. The time this takes can vary depending on your internet speed and the size of the app. You can keep an eye on the progress bar that appears on the screen during this process. This is important as it ensures that the app is being downloaded and installed properly. Once the installation is complete, you will see an Open button appear. Tap this button to launch the app immediately. This step is crucial because it allows you to start using the app right away without needing to find it later. You may also receive a notification that the app was successfully installed. After tapping Open, the app will launch, and you can begin exploring its features. Depending on the app, you might need to sign in or create an account. Follow the on-screen instructions to set everything up as needed. This initial setup is important because it customizes the app experience to suit your preferences. That's it, you have successfully set up an app on your Samsung phone. Remember, exploring new apps can enhance your phone's productivity and entertainment value. Don't hesitate to try out different apps and find the ones that work best for you. Thank you for watching and happy app exploring.